There's also some interesting data recently that shows that even when it comes to adverts on Instagram, YouTube, and you must all see these kind of ads if you use any of those platforms, you might have noticed that it went from having these very polished adverts where it was like heavily edited with subtitles and all sorts of stuff and graphics. And now all of a sudden we've got a lot of very unpolished videos. A lot of it is just kind of selfie camera on phone. Those type of ads are performing better than the polished ones. Even when people are stumbling over their words and making mistakes, it's not perfect. Those perform better. And the reason is it feels authentic. And when we're looking to sell stuff, authenticity is incredibly important. So even if it's not perfect, even if it is, you stumble over your words a little bit, or even if it is not the best quality, those aren't a big deal. And those things aren't going to stop you from converting anything or generating leads. In fact, it being down to earth and authentic is probably going to generate more.